The first one, Fold 3, the new generation foldable device. Last year, we initiated the light and thin foldable phones. This year, many competitors are following us. How about this year? Let's first watch the video. Right, let's take a look. It's a thin and light foldable phone, only 10.96 millimeters when folding, just like the same thickness of iPhone with a protective case. When unfolded, it's 5.26 millimeters, and with ultra-narrow metal frame and brushed metal technique. Four-side curved surface screen. At the same time, empowered with quad camera with Leica optical lens, and the decal is unibody ceramic panel, very delicate. Two colors for you to choose. One is starry golden. It uses velvet-like glass. Velvet feel is realized on glass surface, no fingerprint. And also moon shadow black, using leather-like glass. Touching on it as if you are touching on leather. This is the new generation ultra-thin foldable flagship Fold 3. And for foldable device, the most important underlying technology is Hinge. Hinge is extremely critical for this generation foldable phone. First, we want to introduce to you our really cutting-edge new generation hinge system, our Xiaomi proprietary hinge. Why it is so cutting-edge? Let's take a look. It has three-element connecting rod structure, extremely delicate, like clockwork. I have this for you, schematics, comparing the water drop with our new hinge. How delicate it is. It has three elements, three levels, connecting rods compared with the traditional two elements or two levels. It has 198 components, three elements connecting rod structures and 14 micro hinges, and its sturdiness is even better. When you open it up, the structure is so delicate here, and in order to strengthen it, to make it more durable, this time we adopt. We use super materials. First, ultra-high strength steel is used. It can sustain 1,800 ampere, meaning it can sustain 72 tons within 4 square centimeters, about more than 30 vehicles weight. And here, we use the carbon ceramic steel. It's 4 times more durable, and it's much smaller and more delicate in structure, and there's an array of innovations in the industry where it is good at. The first question itself is the conventional delicacy of hinge and foldables. So the first question is how to improve its quality and durability by a large margin. Now with this new hinge, our new foldable can pass the Juve Rainland Extreme Folding Certification for 500,000 folds. In addition to it, 3 other advantages. First, ultra flat on the screen surface. The reason is this: when we open it up, the hinge itself is quite flat. You may think, what's difficult about that? Let's compare with our competitors. Their hinge is exposed. With such exposure, the surface has a dent and a groove, and when there is something impact in it, it's prone to damage. And also we use UTG glass. This is ultra thin, flexible glass with only 0.03 millimeters. The durability is increased by 2.25 times. It's flat and I'm not sure why our competitors are still using the CPI plastic material. I don't know the reason, probably to cut back on budgets. So long as you open it up, you unfold it, you will see how advanced our product is. And also we have this wide-angle stop and hover mode, 45 degrees to 135 degrees. The third advantage is the three-level hinge. It can generate a protection on the inner display. If you drop it unintentionally, compared with the traditional water drop hinge, on impacting, there will be impact between the bridge and the inner display. But with our hinge, the protection is surrounding the inner display. This is how we simulate the results. So the protection is much stronger several times. Our engineers really invested hugely into improvement in quality. They made a test. This is so expensive display, and I asked them, should we really drop it? And they insisted on dropping it for real. Let's take a look.